Okay, so this is a Canon Ftb that I have. Show you the aesthetics first. This is the front, the top, the bottom, one side, the other side. So for this camera, I just put a PX625 battery inside to test the light meter and show you. But later I will remove this, and please remember that this does not come with battery. So gonna turn it. I'm gonna show you the viewfinder and then turn this off so that you can see that the viewfinder works. I mean the light meter works. So you can see on the right side. Let me need to focus. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so I on it. See, it works. So light meter works. Yep. And unfortunately, that's all. That's all it does. The shutter does not fire. I try to wind it. I can't wind it. I try to press it down. I can't press it down. I change the locking to unlock. Also cannot. Yeah. I'll show you the internals so you can see how it looks like inside to help you make decision. Look, cannot open. Yeah. Alright. So this is the internal part of it. A bit dusty, I guess. And this the other side. So yeah, cannot fire. Sorry. Not sure why. Alright. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless.